A reminder, Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party is a special ticketed event on selected nights through December 22nd. For more information, dates, and to purchase tickets, visit DisneyWorld.com. There are so many ways to celebrate the holidays here at Walt Disney World. Coming up after the fireworks show, we will highlight experiences around our world waiting for you this season at all 4 theme parks and at Disney Springs. But back to tonight. It's Minnie's night, and joining me is Kate Pappas, show producer for Minnie's wonderful Christmastime fireworks. Welcome, Kate.
Happy holidays, Mark.
Thank you very much, Kate. I'm so glad you're here now. Kate, can you give us an overview of tonight's all-new spectacular?
Yes, this is all about Minnie and her gift to all of her friends here visiting Walt Disney World, and it's all about polka dots on the castle and up in the night sky. There are beautiful new orchestrations of all of our favorite holiday songs and dazzling fireworks over Cinderella's castle.
All right, I gotta love the polka dots. Now, what makes the show so special, Kate?
What is so special about this show, you can watch it from anywhere in the park. We want you to be able to enjoy your full night here at the party. We want you to be able to go experience the Tomorrowland Speedway and the wonderful new holiday lights there. We want you to check out the brand new Monsters Laugh Floor holiday show. So at 10 p.m., all you need to do is step outside with your hot cocoa, look up into the sky, and enjoy the show.
Well, thank you very much. That is brilliant. What a great night to have here. Well, thank you very much, Kate Pappas, show producer for Minnie's wonderful Christmastime fireworks. Now, as you can see, thousands of guests are gathered in front of Cinderella Castle, and we are moments away from the show. A reminder that during the live stream, use @DisneyParks on Twitter and hashtag DisneyParksLive to share your holiday photos and memories with us, and we'll share some of these memories and pictures after the fireworks. And now, Inside Disney Parks is proud to present a live stream of the debut of Minnie's wonderful Christmastime fireworks.
It's my favorite time of the year. And you know what? With all of us together, I just know something wonderful is about to happen. Oh my! There's magic in the celebrate this time of year. I'm so happy we get to spend it with all of you. And there's no better time to celebrate than right we share with truly special friends. We take these moments and we turn them into memories. Memories we can cherish forever and ever. And that's the kind of magic that only happens when we're all together.
Sure, it's nice to open a gift that's tied up with a perfect bow.
But the greatest present of all was given to me long ago. It's something I would never trade. It's the family that we've made. 'Cause when we're together, I have everything on my list. And when we're together,
I have all I wished.
all around the Christmas tree, there'll be dreams coming true. But when we're together, then my favorite gift
Wow. Well, I got to tell you, Jen, we're not going to let some rain stop us.
Nope.
What a great new show.
Yeah, that's great. I loved the score. The music was spectacular. A lot of songs you wouldn't expect, like simply having a wonderful Christmas time in our show. That was awesome.
It was beautiful. And I got to
Yeah.
tell you, we heard that the cameras weren't picking up a lot of the projections on Cinderella Castle because of that rain and the humidity and the smoke coming in.
Yeah.
But I got to tell you, you got to be here to see it.
You
It was
do.
fantastic.
Yep.
And it's still raining now, but we're still not going to let that dampen our spirits.
Absolutely not.
But I got to tell you, don't take our word for it. Let me ask some special guests. Joining us are Nancy Walsh and Lori Lovell, former Disney Parks Mom panelists. Now, ladies, you were here live. The cameras couldn't pick up a lot of the projections of the show, but we're here live. We could see a lot of it. What did you think about the show?
I thought it was fabulous. The music was great. I love the holiday theme. Of course, it's a new show, so that was fun to watch. I thought it was great.
And I think it's awesome. You can see it wherever you are in the park. Just look above Cinderella Castle and hear the music and just get into the holiday spirit.
Now you know everything there is to know about Disney, hopefully. What's another must-do for you when you come to the Christmas party?
For me, it's the parade.
Okay.
We just watched that before we walked up here, and you have all of your favorite holiday songs and your favorite Disney characters dressed up, for Christmas, but you also see the big man himself. So Santa Claus was here tonight.
Yes, there were some kids over here screaming, Santa, Santa.
That was me. Yeah.
Yes. Well, thank you very much once again, Nancy Walsh and Lori Lovell. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Thank you.
All right. Now, Jen, before the show, we asked viewers to share their Disney holiday pictures and stories. Now, what did we get?
Oh, we saw a great tune-in tonight from Australia, all around the world, South America, all over the U.S. So thank you to everybody who tuned in. We have a few pictures we'd like to share with you. The first one is A Castle and a Wish. It says 2017 was my first season in Disney World, and they loved the decorations, and the Dapper Dance performances were a highlight. At Oscar Chip shared this photo of their son meeting Mickey during the holidays. That looks like a great hug. How adorable. Casey shared these pictures of her daughter in this adorable holiday outfit with Mickey. Tanya sent this festive photo she took with one of my favorites, Clarabelle. That is a nice set of holiday ears she has on, too. And last, Teresa says, who does it better than a salute to all holiday decorations, but mostly Santa Gertie. Gertie is definitely a fan favorite over at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Wow, that's a deep cut right there.
Yeah,
Santa Gertie.
Yeah, Santa Gertie.
That is fantastic. Well, with all new experiences, decorations, and seasonal food and beverage, Walt Disney World Resort is the perfect place for you, your family, and friends to celebrate the holidays. Here is a look at what's waiting for you at all 4 theme parks and Disney Springs.